Most people don't buy bad trucks because they're stupid. They buy them because they're misled, manipulated, and completely blind to what actually lasts. And that mistake? It doesn't just cost a little money. It destroys your wallet piece by piece. As we speak, thousands of buyers are walking straight into mechanical disasters, engines that burn out early, transmissions that collapse under pressure, and trucks that look good for 6 months before turning into endless repair bills. And the worst part? They thought they were making a smart decision. Not watching this video literally means you're signing up for financial punishment. You'll overpay for something unreliable, pour money into repairs, and watch your so-called great deal turn into a machine you can't trust and can't get rid of. Meanwhile, the trucks we're about to reveal, these are the ones people overlook, underestimate, and walk away from, only to regret it later when those same trucks are still running strong years after everything else has failed. Let's find out more. Number 10. Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier is one of the most criminally underrated trucks on the used market. It doesn't look flashy, it doesn't pretend to be modern, but that's exactly why it lasts. Under the hood sits a 4.0-liter V6 engine pushing out 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a timing chain instead of a timing belt, eliminating one of the most common long-term maintenance costs. It uses a naturally aspirated setup, meaning no turbos, no unnecessary stress points, and far fewer failure risks over time. The engine block itself is built tough, designed to handle years of hauling, towing, and rough driving without complaining. A parking contractor from Ohio skipped over a clean Frontier because it felt outdated compared to newer options loaded with tech. He went with a modern midsize truck instead. Within a few years, that decision turned into a nightmare. Sensor failures, transmission hesitation, and constant trips to the workshop. Meanwhile, the Frontier he ignored. Bought by someone else, driven hard daily, and still running past 300,000 kilometers with nothing but routine servicing. The truth is simple. This truck doesn't impress on day one, but it wins every single year after that. Number 9. Ford Ranger. The Ford Ranger is as close as you get to Indestructible in the compact truck segment. It's not refined, it's not luxurious, but it's brutally dependable. It comes equipped with a 4.0-liter Cologne V6 engine delivering 207 horsepower and 238 pound-feet of torque. This engine features a cast-iron block, which is significantly more durable under stress compared to lighter aluminum designs. It's built with simplicity in mind. Fewer electronics, fewer complicated systems, and fewer things that can go wrong. That's exactly why these engines keep going long after others give up. A small logistics business owner ignored the Ranger because it looked too basic and didn't match modern expectations. He opted for a newer compact truck with more features. Within 100,000 kilometers, that newer truck became a financial burden. Engine misfires, electrical glitches, and costly part replacements. The Ranger he passed on, still working every single day for its next owner, hauling loads without a single major issue. This is what people don't understand. Reliability isn't about how new something looks. It's about how long it keeps doing its job without breaking down. We've only explored 2. 8 amazing trucks are still to go. Stay right here. Number 8. Honda Ridgeline 3.5-liter V6. The Honda Ridgeline is the truck people laugh at, until it outlasts everything they bought instead. It's powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 250 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque. This is Honda's J-Series engine, one of the most proven and reliable V6 platforms ever built. It uses a timing belt system, but with proper maintenance, it delivers exceptional longevity. The engine is smooth, low stress, and engineered for consistency rather than brute force, which is exactly why it keeps running long after others start falling apart. There was an IT consultant from Michigan who ignored the Ridgeline because it wasn't a real truck. He went for a more aggressive-looking pickup with higher towing numbers. Within a few years, that truck started showing serious wear, engine strain, transmission issues, and rising repair costs. The Ridgeline he dismissed? Quietly crossing 300,000 kilometers with minimal issues, proving that reliability doesn't care about image. Judging a truck by its looks can cost you years of regret. Number 7. GMC Sierra 1500, 4.8-liter V8. The GMC Sierra 1500 with the 4.8-liter V8 is one of those trucks that doesn't get attention, but absolutely deserves respect. The engine generates around 302 horsepower and 305 pound-feet of torque. This engine is part of GM's small block family, known for its durability and simple, rugged construction. It avoids overly complex systems, making it easier to maintain and far less prone to catastrophic failures. These engines are known to run well past 300,000 kilometers with basic care. A farm owner once skipped this Sierra because it didn't have the bigger 5.3-liter engine and assumed it wouldn't be as capable. He chose a more powerful truck instead. Over time, that decision turned into frustration, higher fuel costs, more wear, and unexpected repairs. The Sierra he overlooked, still running strong, handling daily work without breaking down. More power doesn't always mean more reliability, and people learn that the hard way. Things get exciting as we move to the next one on the list. Number 6. Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 with the HEMI V8 is one of those trucks that quietly delivers massive long-term value while people argue about brand perception. The engine produces 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. It features a strong bottom-end design, high-quality internal components, and a multi-displacement system that allows it to switch between cylinders for better efficiency. Despite this added technology, the engine remains incredibly durable and capable of handling high mileage with ease. A buyer in his early 30s avoided Ram purely based on the assumption that American engines don't last. He chose a smaller, more efficient truck instead. That engine struggled under heavy use, wore out faster, and demanded constant repairs. The truck he dismissed is still out there, hauling loads, crossing high mileage, and proving its reliability year after year. This is what blind assumptions do. They push people away from machines that could have saved them years of trouble. If you think these trucks are already tough, the next ones are on a completely different level. We're about to get into machines that don't just last long. They practically refuse to die, no matter how hard they're pushed. And the top entries? Most people completely overlook them, until it's too late. Number 5. Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma has built a reputation that most trucks can only dream of, but the 2015 model with the 4.0-liter V6 is where that reputation truly earns its respect. The engine produces 236 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque. It's a naturally aspirated engine with a timing chain setup, which means fewer long-term maintenance worries. The engine is known for its bulletproof construction, capable of handling high mileage, rough terrain, and daily abuse without losing consistency. It's not about speed, it's about surviving everything you throw at it. A university teacher sidelined Tacoma because it was priced slightly higher than other mid-size trucks in the used market. He thought he was being smart by saving money. Within a few years, his cheaper truck started developing engine issues, suspension failures, and constant repair bills. While the Tacoma he ignored is running effortlessly for its new owner, clocking over 350,000 kilometers without any major breakdown. This is what people don't realize. Tacomas don't just hold value, they protect it. Number 4. Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevrolet Avalanche is often forgotten in truck conversations, but that's exactly why it's such a dangerous hidden gem. It comes equipped with the 5.3-liter V8 engine producing around 320 horsepower and 335 pound-feet of torque. This engine is part of GM's legendary small block family, known for its long lifespan and rugged reliability. It's built with strong internals and a simple design that can endure years of heavy use without catastrophic failure. With proper maintenance, these engines regularly push beyond 300,000 kilometers. A techie from NYC disapproved of Avalanche because it didn't look like a proper truck. He chose a more conventional pickup instead. Over time, that decision turned into regret. Engine troubles, rising maintenance costs, and declining reliability. On the other side, the Avalanche he overlooked is quietly serving another owner, hauling, towing, and performing without drama. Sometimes the trucks people ignore the most are the ones that last the longest. Number 3. Ford F-150. When it comes to balancing power, reliability, and long-term durability, the 2014 Ford F-150 with the 5.0-liter Coyote V8 stands in a league of its own. This engine delivers 360 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. It features a modern dual overhead cam design, but unlike smaller turbocharged engines, it avoids excessive stress and heat buildup. The Coyote V8 is known for its strong internals, smooth performance, and ability to handle high mileage without major failures when properly maintained. A buyer once passed on this F-150 because he was drawn toward a turbocharged alternative that promised better fuel efficiency. That decision didn't age well. Turbo issues, costly repairs, and declining engine performance started piling up. The Ford 150 he ignored is still running strong, delivering consistent power, and proving that naturally aspirated V8 still dominate when it comes to longevity. Not every upgrade is an improvement. Sometimes it's just a more expensive mistake. Now listen carefully. What's coming next separates the reliable from the nearly indestructible. If you're serious about buying a truck that won't betray you, these final 2 entries matter more than everything you've seen so far. Number 2. Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This is where durability stops being impressive and starts becoming almost unbelievable. The Silverado 2500 HD is powered by the 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8, producing 397 horsepower and a massive 765 pound-feet of torque. This engine is built for extreme workloads, featuring heavy-duty components designed to withstand constant stress. Diesel engines like this are engineered for longevity, often exceeding 500,000 kilometers when properly maintained. There was a construction company owner who avoided this truck because diesel maintenance scared him. He chose a gasoline alternative instead. Over time, that decision cost him heavily. Engine wear, lower towing capability, and frequent repairs under heavy loads. The truck he dropped is operating in another fleet, handling brutal workloads without breaking down. This isn't just a truck, it's a long-term asset that keeps paying back. Let's talk about the number one entry on the list, which has its reasons to be at this place. Number 1. Toyota Tundra. This is it, the truck most people underestimate, and the one that refuses to die. The Toyota Tundra, with the 5.7-liter V8, is powered by an engine producing 381 horsepower and 400 1-pound-feet of torque. Built with a forged steel crankshaft and heavy-duty internal components, this engine was designed for endurance above everything else. It doesn't rely on fragile systems or complicated engineering. It's raw, proven, and brutally dependable. These trucks are known to cross 500,000 kilometers with proper care, and many still run like they did years ago. A buyer once ignored this Tundra because it was older and lacked modern features. He chose a newer truck packed with technology instead. That decision quickly turned into frustration, electronic failures, engine problems, and constant repair costs. The Tundra he walked away from? Still running, still working, still proving that real reliability doesn't age. This is what true durability looks like. No drama, no excuses, just relentless performance. If you've made it this far, you now know what most buyers never figure out until it's too late. The difference between a truck that lasts and one that drains your wallet isn't luck, it's knowledge. And now you have it. If this video saved you from making a costly mistake, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Because the truth is, the market is full of traps, and videos like this are your only defense against them.